Today our next topic is terminology. Now blocking, it is a illegal personal contact which impedes the progress of opponent player with or without the ball. It means when one player uses their body to prevent the movement of another, that is called blocking. Charging, it is a personal contact with or without ball by pushing illegal gardening. It is a preventing defense from rear of player or backside of player. Means when the player illegally pushes the opponent player from the front side or from the back side, that is called a charging. Illegal screening, it is a illegal attempt to delay or prevent opponent. Prevent means you cover opponent, to defend opponent player who does not control the ball from reaching desired position. If any player wants to take ball from on his team player and the opponent player delay or stop that player or prevent or cover or defends that player to take the ball from their desired position, that is called illegal screening. Then next is holding. This is also a personal foul or personal contact when a player interference the freedom of movement. Freedom of movement when player wants to take forward or want to receive the ball, the player hold that the player hold that opponent player, that is called holding. Double foul, a situation in which opposing player commits contact foul against each other simultaneously. Means two fouls committed at the same time by opposing against each other. Means two fouls committed at the same time opposing player against each other, that is called double foul. Dead ball, ball lands out of bounds, official blows the whistle. In case of violation, means traveling, double dribble, that is violation, that time ball is dead. Fouls means personal, technical foul, unsportsmanlike foul, that time is the ball is dead, etc. It is a temporary stoppage of game. Now next is live ball. During jump ball, if ball is legally tapped means when the both team players try to touch that ball, the ball in the air, or officials place the ball for play, keep the ball in the ground for the playing, that time is the ball is live. The give the ball to the players for play, that is time also ball is live. Or at the disposal of free throw or throwing. During the free throw is ball is live, or when the player throw the ball inside, that time also ball is live. Layup shot, a shot executed by a player while moving the 2 steps with the ball and attempting a shot. When a player takes 2 steps and attempt the basket, that technique is called a layup shot. Now next is 3-point, the basket or goal scoring which gives addition of 3 points in the score. It should be thrown behind the 3-point line or arc. Now students see in the ground, see this playground, it is big D is drawn there. This is called a 3-pointer line. This one big D. If the player throw the ball behind this line or attempt the basket behind this line, that time referee gives the 3-point. Now jump ball. A jump ball is a technique of starting the game in the beginning. Jump ball, this is a technique when the game starts. That time jump ball is used from the circle, from the center circle it is starts. It takes place when the official tosses the ball between the 2 opposing players. With new rules, only one time the jump ball is done and next time it is done with the throwing. Now next is cut in. In the fast movement of the player towards the basket through 2 or more opponent to receive the ball. When any player going for a basket and that team players also follow by him to receiving the ball, that is called cut in. Traveling. It is a violation in which legal movement of the ball, illegal movement of the ball by dribbling, that is player moves without the bounce, passes or collects the ball while running. When the player take the ball while running and give the ball while running, receive the ball while running, next is throwing. It is a passing the ball from sideline or end line after the dead ball. That means when the ball goes out of the ground to restart the continuity of game. Personal foul. A foul committed by player with illegal body contact to opponent. Then dribbling. It is a pumping of ball. Pumping means when you dribble the ball with the help of hand. With hands so that it is bounced back, by which the movement of ball take place by a player. Next is free throw. It is attempting an unhindered shot. Unhindered means when nobody is covering to you, nobody defending to you, from the position behind the free throw line. It is without the interruption by opponent player. It may be 1, 2 or 3 free throws according to officials. Now next is shooting. An attempt to goal or basket scoring. You try to attempt a basket, that is called a shooting. Rebounding. It is an attempt to recollect the ball. If it fails to score basket, it is bounce back of the ball after striking ring or backboard. When the player recollect the ball, when the ball striking with the ring or backboard, that time player try to recollect the ball to attempt the basket, which comes for play. Board shot. It is an attempt to goal by bounce from the ring board, that is ball to hit the board first for scoring basket. During the basket, when the ball firstly hit the ball, then goes inside into the ring, that is called board shot. A man-to-man marking. This is a defensive skill. In this technique, only one player can defend only one player. That is called a man-to-man marking. Zone defense. This is also a defensive technique, and this technique used for your own zone area. That time player has defense their own zone area. Your own court you have to defense. Fast break. Fast break means ball is quickly passed to on teammate for scoring goal who is placed close to opponent ring. It is moving the ball quickly down the court in the order to score before defense can set up. What is a fast score? After rebounding, after recollecting, or after a basket, or from a free throw, when the basket is done, then opponent team gets a throw. In that time, the ball is quickly passed to his own team player to attempt the basket before the defense can set up. Fake. It is a dodging or deflects to opponent in other direction. It is a deceiving opponent in other direction. Fake means that this is a simple term beta that you can understand. Fake means you show the ball, sometime you rotate your ball right or left, immediately you throw the ball a left side. That is called a faking. Faking means dozing देना, किसी को dose देना, किसी को बेवकूफ बनाना कि I'm going to throw the ball in right side but you will not throw, you throw the left side. That is called a dozing or faking. Fake. Extra time. It is the addition in the playing time if score is equal during normal playing time period of 40 minutes. Then 5 minutes additional time is given for play to break the time. This is simple term, but extra when the both team scores are equal, then referee gives the 5 minutes extra to break the tie. That is called a extra time. Team fouls. It is the total number of fouls committed by the team during the one quarter. When whole team will commits 4 fouls in one quarter, it is marked by raising red flag. The referee show the red flag also or indicate by the team foul indicator. This 24-second device. It is an operators used to count 24 seconds. 24-second rule that you know, when you get the possession of the ball, player gets the possession of the ball, that team has to attempt the basket within a 24 second. That 24 second time for the basket, which raises its alarm after 24 second. It starts with the possession of the ball to each. Now next is charge timeout. It is an interruption of game requested by coach. It lasts not more than one time. It can be taken one time in 1, 2 and 3 quarter, and 2 times it can be taken in 4 quarter. Means coach can take 1, 2 and 3 quarter in one timeout, and 4th quarter is 2 timeout. Next is the held ball. It occurs when 2 opponents have firmly gripped the ball and neither can gain possession without undue roughness. With new change, throw in is taken from nearest side or end line. Means when 2 player opposing team firmly gripped or holding the ball and try to take the ball from each other, that time referee gives the held ball. Goal. A credited basket scoring which raises score or points. Substitution. It is replacing player by reserve player. Reserve means substitution, extra players. Those are sitting outside in substitution area. That is called reserve player. It is given on demand to officials. When the coach or captain is saying to the officials, that time it is given to the substitution. Moreover, ball is in dead. The ball is not in play out of boundary lines. That time a substitution is made. The player to be substitute should be entered only when the other player has moved out of the court boundaries. Violation and infringements of rules where opponent is avoided with throw in from sideline or end line closest to infraction. Penalty. A foul committed by defending player while opponent is very close and in action for goal attempting. When any player going for a layup shot, for going for a basket, that time is penalty is given to the opponent. Here opponents are awarded with 2 or 3 attempts for scoring basket from free throw lines. Number of free throw is judged by a referee according to player's position while attempting goal.